All right, we are just a couple miles east of Grand Teton National Park, here up in the corner of northwest Wyoming. Technically, it's Bridger-Teton National Forest, and we're gonna do some snowmobiling. All right, good morning. As far as national parks go, we are in the Grand Teton area. We slept in Victor, Idaho last night. We would have probably preferred to stay in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, which would be a little closer, but the prices are 2 to 3 times as high. So right now we are heading back into Wyoming. The goal today is to do some snowmobiles. We have 4 reserved. Not sure yet where we'll be snowmobiling. We'll give you that information in a little while. But presently, we are going across the Teton Pass. This is an amazing road that takes you up and over the Teton mountain range. Some light snow coming down. The trees are absolutely beautiful, covered with snow. Incredible landscape, and we got a great day planned. We're looking forward to having a lot of fun today. Thanks for joining us. So we are now on the top of the pass, beginning our descent. You gotta love all the signs that you're seeing up here. Watch for falling rock. You see that one a lot in the summer, but avalanche warnings, bear warnings, 19 degrees right now.
So the directions, parking lot 1 is gonna be Black Rock parking lot right here. Okay, it's gonna be the fastest one, easiest to get to. 2 trails leading off in there is the CD or Continental Divide Trail or the CDA Trail. A really common trail is to do like CD, all the way down to here, and then you guys can either take the North Fork or Trail V or the South Fork Trail K, and that takes you pretty much right back to where you started. That's about a 60 mile to 70 mile round trip depending on which trail you take. How far you go is up to you. Just make sure you're keeping an eye on the clock and make sure you can get back by 3:30. Yeah, Bridger-Teton National Forest is what you're in.
Basic stuff. This is your throttle right there. It's a thumb throttle. Push to activate. Brake is right here. Squeeze to stop. You're not on pavement, so it's not going to stop as quickly as a car does on pavement. So leave a really big following distance. You don't want to run into each other.
What are you thinking, Anthony?
Sweet, man. That's super exciting. Let's do it.
Jack, any thoughts?
Let's do it. Excited to get.
You guys can't get any more creative than let's do it.
To turn, you know.
Your whole back end was buried.
I know, that little duck down, I couldn't feel it. I'm like, oh man.
Man. That's
It's
sweet.
deceiving how deep it is.
You got the snow coming down right now. We're pretty deep in the National Forest. Snowing, incredible beauty. Wide open spaces, large bowls of snow, steep inclines that are a blast to go up and down, and then wooded trails with pine trees really close on both sides. I don't know what you can hear, but it's pretty amazing out here.
The snow going through in the pines was pretty sweet.
Dude, it was like, it felt like it was smacking
Yeah,
me right
it was
in the
definitely
face.
hitting your face.
So I'm definitely putting my gator up. This
And
next
yeah,
time.
right. These have to get some speed. I mean, we're not even
I got up to
touching.
60.
Oh, you did?
It feels like you're flying.
Yeah.
Besides hanging out with my wife, which is the politically correct answer, this is probably the most fun I've ever had in my life.
Wow,
This is incredible.
I'm glad you're having such a good time.
The trails are perfect. Going off trail is incredible. You got steep hills, smooth powder. It's amazing out here. And then in the process, you're just looking at all of this. That combination is unbeatable.
How you guys doing down there?
Good. Woo! It's okay place to have lunch, I guess. In the mountains, snowing.
It's awesome, man.
So if we keep going, we'll hit T.
Yeah.
So we want to go T to E, K.
Absolutely stunning with this snow coming down. So beautiful. Gang, in traditional America's Parks fashion. And by the way, I don't always eat like this, so don't leave a comment like that down below, please. But we are finishing with some big out food. We got the medium rare cheeseburger with portobello mushrooms. Wow, what a combination. And then, of course, to take away all the fat and all the calories, a nice healthy garden salad. But here we are, downtown Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This is a great town. You got to visit this place. Thanks again for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video from Bridger-Teton National Forest. We had a fantastic time today. Thanks so much for traveling with us. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to America's Parks. And remember, here from Wyoming, on the snow machines, there's always room for you on every national park adventure. God bless you.